Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 7, and today I would like to show you how you can operate one-handed mode on this device. You need to start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now tap on more features and select one-handed mode. After that, you need to click on one of those options, like in my case navigation keys, and tap on one-handed mode to set it up. Now follow all of those instructions. If you are using gestures navigation, you need to swipe from both sides, and if you are using navigation keys, you need to long press the home button. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. You can resize it by holding one of its corners and swiping. If you wish to change side of your little screen, you can do that by clicking on this little icon. And if you wish to go back into the standard sides, just click on the blurry area. If you want to disable one-handed mode completely, you need to select one of those options and pick any other option like Google Assistant, or in this case, on full screen gestures, none. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!